Think about it. In today's fast-paced world, convenience is king. Your clients want to book appointments on their own terms, whether that's late at night after the kids are asleep, during their lunch break at work, or while waiting for a coffee. If your booking system isn't accessible around the clock, you're potentially losing out on valuable appointments and, ultimately, revenue. Vagaro's online booking functionality isn't just about offering a digital calendar. It's about empowering your clients, enhancing their experience, and giving your business a significant competitive edge. Beyond just the convenience for your clients, enabling online booking on Vagaro offers a multitude of benefits for you, the business owner. Imagine the reduction in administrative tasks. No more interrupting your services to answer phone calls, manually entering appointments, or playing email ping-pong to find a suitable time. Automated reminders reduce no-shows, freeing up valuable slots and ensuring your schedule remains optimized. You gain valuable insights into your booking trends, allowing you to make data-driven decisions about staffing, service offerings, and even marketing strategies. Furthermore, online booking seamlessly integrates with other powerful Vagaro features. You can link your booking page to your website, social media, and even Google and Apple Maps, expanding your reach and making it incredibly easy for new clients to discover and book with you. You can set up specific online appointment rules, such as requiring acceptance for certain clients or services, blocking new customers, or even requiring a membership or package to book. This level of control ensures that online booking works precisely how you need it to, aligning with your business policies and preferences. So, how do you unlock this potential and enable online booking on Vagaro? It's a straightforward process, but one that involves a few key steps to ensure everything is set up correctly for a smooth client experience. Let's dive into the specifics. First things first, before you enable online booking for your entire business or specific employees, you need to ensure some foundational elements are in place. Your services or classes menu must be fully set up in Vagaro. This means all your offerings, descriptions, durations, and pricing should be accurate and up-to-date. Think of it as your online storefront. You want it to be perfectly stocked and organized before you open for business. Next, and crucially, your services must be assigned to at least one employee. Online booking in Vagaro is intrinsically linked to your staff's availability. If a service isn't assigned to an employee, or if that employee doesn't have their online booking enabled, clients won't be able to book it online. Similarly, if you offer classes, they need to be scheduled on at least one employee's calendar. This ensures that when a client attempts to book, the system can accurately reflect real-time availability based on your staff schedules. Now, let's get to the core of enabling online booking for your employees, which is often the first step in making your business bookable online. You'll need to navigate to your employee profiles within Vagaro. On the web version, you'll go to More, then Settings, and then Employee Profiles. If you're using a tablet or the Vagaro Pay Desk, you'll find Settings and then Employee Profiles. Once you're in the Employee Profiles section, you'll see a list of all your employees. Find the employee for whom you want to enable online booking. At the end of their row, you'll typically see an action menu or a similar option. Click on this and then select Enable Online Booking. Vagaro will likely prompt you with a confirmation message. Simply select Enable to proceed. If your business has multiple locations, you'll want to ensure you're enabling online booking for the correct location for that employee, as their availability might differ across branches. Once enabled, you'll notice an online booking tag displayed in their employee profile, confirming that they are now available for online appointments. Enabling online booking for individual employees is paramount because customers can specifically book with a particular employee through your Vagaro listing page, your staff page, if the employee isn't hidden, the Book Now button on your Vagaro booking page, My Site, and even through widgets you embed on your website or social media. Beyond individual employee settings, you'll also want to configure your online appointment rules. These rules give you granular control over how online bookings function for your entire business. To access these on a phone, you'd go to More, then Settings, Booking, and finally Online Appointment Rules. On the web, tablet, Paydesk, or PayPro, it's Settings, Booking, and Online Appointment Rules. Within the Online Appointment Rules, you'll find a wealth of options to customize your booking experience. For instance, you can choose to auto-assign employee when booking, allowing Vagaro to automatically assign an available employee for new bookings if the client doesn't specify one. You can also set the online employee booking order, which determines how your employees are listed on your Vagaro listing page. This is particularly useful if you want to highlight certain staff members or prioritize bookings for specific individuals. Other crucial settings in this section include membership or package required to book. This allows you to restrict certain services or classes to clients who hold a specific membership or package. This is fantastic for loyalty programs or exclusive offerings. Require acceptance for online booking. If you prefer to review and approve incoming bookings, you can enable this feature. You can even specify which employees or types of customers, e.g., those with a history of no-shows or cancellations, require your approval. This gives you an added layer of control and helps manage potentially problematic clients. Allow family and friends booking. Decide whether clients can book appointments on behalf of others linked to their account. Block new customers from online booking. If you're a highly sought-after business or prefer to onboard new clients through a different process, you can block them from booking online. Limit how far in advance a customer can book. This setting prevents clients from booking too far into the future, helping you manage your long-term schedule and adapt to changes. You can set this limit for both services and classes. Set appointment intervals. This determines the time increments displayed for available appointments on your booking page, like 15-minute or 30-minute slots. Waitlist feature. This is incredibly useful for filling last-minute cancellations. You can allow customers to add themselves to a waitlist or manually add them. When a spot opens up, Vagaro can notify waitlisted clients, either by offering it to the first in line, the one with the most expensive appointment, or instantly notifying everyone. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.